Hello friends, I don't know any sewist who likes to change needles. If you're like me, you definitely wish there was a magical needle, that you would just put in your sewing machine and it would sew forever. Well, there is nothing like a magical needle, and you have to ensure that you change your needle whenever it's blunt, broken, or whenever it's bent. Let's go through the simple process of changing a sewing needle. So, step one is to ensure that your presser foot is pressed down, like so. Step two, you get a screwdriver. Today I'll be making use of a flat screwdriver, and you place the tip into the slot here. That's the needle bar. Step three, you turn your screwdriver towards you, that way. Okay. Please ensure you're guiding the needle. Just hold it gently so that it doesn't fall into this hole. Okay, so just hold it gently and turn this needle bar towards you to release the needle. All right, so that's good. Please note that you don't have to unscrew fully. So once your needle is mobile, then you can take it out. I want you to take note of this bar over here. Can you see the bar? Those round dots. So that bar is what guides the needle. It's more like a stopper for the needle. And so once the edge of your needle is touching that bar, like so, at that point, you know that your needle has been fully inserted into the machine. All right, so at this point, you can take out your needle gently. Great. Please take note of this. This needle has a curvy part, as you can see, and then when you turn it to the other side, it has a flat side. Okay, so let's turn it again. This is the curvy part, and this here is the flat side. And the flat side of this needle is what goes to the back. So when you want to insert a needle for your domestic sewing machine, you should ensure that the flat part of the sewing needle backs you. I'm sure that makes sense. So that means the curvy part of your sewing needle should face you, and the flat part should face the sewing machine needle hole. Okay, so let's get a new needle. All right, so we're going to be changing this needle to an HA times 1 size 18 needle. So size 18 needles are used for heavyweight fabrics. So you want to sew jeans or any kind of fabric that is heavy in texture, it's ideal to use size 18 needle. So let's get out a needle for the purpose of this practical class. Okay, so let's take out a needle, and you will notice that the needle has a flat part of it and then the curvy part. This curvy part of the needle should face you, whilst the flat part of the needle should face the sewing machine. To fix this back in, it's advisable to place the needle downward. Please be careful not to drop it into the plates, into the needle plates. And then you follow the guide, ensuring that the flat part is backing you and the eye of the needle is centered properly. Okay, once this is done, you can go ahead and screw the needle bar back in place to tighten your needle. And to screw it back, you simply insert your screwdriver and then turn the screwdriver in a clockwise direction away from you. Clockwise, that way. You're turning it to the right. Okay? Great. Ta-da! You're done fixing your needle. Thank you for watching. Bye.